Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to remove data validation in Excel. In this video I show you two different ways you can remove the data validation in Excel. So let's start the first one. Here you can see I have data, the product list and status column and category. In status column and category, in both column have a data validation drop-down list. When I click on the first cell, you can see the drop-down list here showing. Same for in category column, when I click on the first cell, the drop-down list of category is showing. In the first way, I show you the remove this data validation. First for status column. So I select here the status column entire. Go to the data tab. In data tools, click on the data validation option. Click on this drop down arrow, click on the first option data validation. And here you can see one dialog box is open, data validation. In settings tab in validation criteria, you can see here the already some mention the criteria allow in list. In source have a some list. Okay, as a status list here mention the pending, in progress, complete, cancelled. Okay. So here I'm going to remove this data validation. For that, simply click on the clear all and that's it. You can see your data validation drop down list is removed. Click on OK and here you see. When I click on the any cell, the drop down list arrow is not showing. It means it's removed the data validation. And the second way, simply select the range of data. Again, go to the data tools in data validation, click on this drop down arrow. And here the same dialog box is open. In this validation criteria, you can see the source is mentioned the category stationery, electronic, furniture. Okay. Now I'm going to clear this. The second way, in allow, click on this drop down arrow and select the any value option and then click on the OK. That's it. You can see your data validation is removed. Okay. You can see when I click on this, the drop down list is not showing. So this is the way you can remove your data validation with the two different ways in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.